turning the fuel pressure up. I ain't been keeping up with shit. I'm just trying to hold what I got till I get what I need. You know about that? My boy right here, he said he know about that, man. I'm glad I done took my grind on over here to Twitch, man. Y'all make me feel a little loved. Aww. I feel loved, man.
Put you in better for you or what?
Yeah, Twitch working better for me, man. I got more people that's informative trying to see what it is. I'm gonna tell you what I did, man. What I did, I was telling all the tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work your phone that good. Have you heard the slogan?
Yeah.
Okay. I end up getting all the people that don't know how to work their phone. Right lane for the win, y'all. He held him off. I'm 37. He said, I just want to get drunk and hang. Oh. Yeah, man. I'm on Twitch and YouTube, though. I'm on both of them. I know what I got a plan. I think it's going to work. Catch me in the morning, late at night.
Just a bunch of cool like clips or something like that to put on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's the plan. I'm glad he already know. I can make you some money. Look out. Eric Shiesty inbox me. Say he can make me some money. Yo, send me a whisper. DT23 say he here from YouTube. Oh, hell no. That truck that won, y'all. Right lane. Man, Eric Shiesty want me to bet with him, y'all. Barbecue lemon pepper. I might give me a Sprite or give me a bottle of Dr. Pepper. Barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. I'm gonna give me a Sprite or a bottle of Dr. Pepper. I done came up and I'm steady grinding. Supercharger steady whining. Come up perfect timing. Supercharger whining. Yeah, it's the perfect timing. Pull up while the fighting. I just wanna see who's riding. Go to the stand. They say that I'm the man. I pull up my seats, they all leather. Give me a bottle of Dr. Pepper. What do I want to eat? I need some barbecue lemon pepper. Yeah, barbecue lemon pepper. I need some barbecue lemon pepper. This gonna be good. Oh yeah, they finna do it again, y'all. This was a close race, man. He can't lead no better than he did last time. Damn, hold him off, Trent. God dang, Trent cannot hold that damn Mustang off, y'all. Hey, man, it's close every time, man. That is, who that is, say that shit go hard as fuck. Say, man, wait until I be on Twitch, man, and I start, you know, you know, being able to go live. Oh, man, I think I'm gonna have to get another computer, though. I ain't finna spend no 2,000. I don't know what the hell y'all talking about. I think I'm finna go on get this other MacBook that y'all talking about don't get. He ain't never gonna win as long as he keep having that girl Simba in the car. I put a curse on that motherfucker. She ain't in the car now. She right there. Catch me in the morning, late at night. Okay. Little 4-cylinder, y'all. What you know about, you like 4 cylinders, man? Or do you gotta have something with a little more horsepower, a little turbo or something?
A little more horsepower.
Oh, okay.
What about you?
I mean,
You're more of a V8 guy, like me.
yeah. I mean, I like a good V6. I like V6.
Okay.
Yeah, I like V6s. Especially one with a little turbo. That 3.6 twin turbo. Dang, that little thing over there getting it. He went half track on him.
STI Super right now.
And I smell some clutch. God dang. Yeah, that's it for that clutch. Look out, you need a promo music video. Yeah, that's what I need, fool.
Hey.
Oh, that was the Stone Vet? Boy, he got that little thing getting it. I need 3 girls. God damn. Skywalker ain't. Oh, 3 videos. 3 promo music videos. Man, I'm pretty sure that once I get the freestyling at the house, man. Once I get the freestyling at the house, man, I'm gonna be on live with y'all. So y'all gonna let me know, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna be jamming together. 1 animated, 1 cinematic. Huh? Oh yeah, this little thing here be run. Tilocico.
These little things be rolling.
That's Tilocico. You don't know nothing about that Tilocico. Locico way. Outside 20. Yeah, I got this side right here. Audi quick. We be subbing. Hey, look here, look here. I want to represent all y'all broke ass entrepreneurs to look out racing. Yay, yay! It's packed. Look out, don't know how to act. Just bought a Mac. VIP at the track. Yay, yay! It's packed. People don't know how to act. We at the track. Just bought a Mac, I'm in the back. I'm at the track. I'm at the track. I don't know how to act.